What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and boy do we have a cool one for you today. Let me make sure my address isn't on here. Yep, it's not. So this is a full-size RGB replica of a Star Wars lightsaber. That is right, boys and girls, folks. This is something I've actually been waiting for a bit for it because it's just really cool in my eyes. This is the hilt of the SaberCustom Skywalker. Now, the cool thing is this is not just a replica. I want to say, like, obviously it's not going to cut anything in half, but this is a working replica. So not only is this heavy metal, as you might say. Let me go ahead and peel this off because, ooh, look how shiny and nice this is. I'm going to get some close-ups, obviously, of the hilt and everything once it's connected. But the really cool thing about this is it not only supports full RGB across the entire saber itself, but it also has 16 different sound fonts. So as you swing or hit anything, or if you have like a Star Wars lightsaber battle, it's actually going to make the appropriate sounds, which I just think is super cool. So you can actually unscrew this and see all of the wiring and electronics in here, just in case you need to go in and fix anything, obviously. And the cool thing about this is you can mix and match hilt pieces. So if you were to buy a different hilt from SaberCustom, you could mix and match the pieces and make your own custom one, or you can just choose the pieces on their site and customize it that way as well. So if I go ahead and pull this and take off this little plastic cover on the back, all we have to do is put this in, and we can already see how tall it is. I just hit the ceiling. Then it has some screws here that we're going to want to screw in. So let me put this down for a second and show you the actual tools. Let's make some room. We have a product manual here so that you can learn how to use all of the different lighting effects, where the actual buttons are on the device, how to use it, how many times you have to press it, things like that. We have a USB charging cable to actually charge it because it has a built-in battery, obviously. And then the tools. So let's open this up and get one of these L wrenches, or L keys. And we're just going to go in and tighten this right here. I'll go ahead and get some video here of the tightening. So all you do is you just get it nice and tight on that side, roll it, and do the same thing right here. Just tighten that up, and very easy to secure the saber into the hilt. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these real quick, and we're all set. Now it is ready to go. So if I press the button here and hold it down, power on. You heard that, and it's on now. Whew, I'm hitting stuff. So you can hear the hits, and you can hear the movements as well, which is really cool. Let me go ahead and turn off the lights, actually. So here we are. This is so cool. Now, what can we do with it? Let's press the button again. We have kind of like blaster sounds if I hold it down, and it comes right back in. And there's actually different kinds of effects and sounds for what you're doing too. So if I swing this, it's going to make kind of a whoosh sound, but if I stab, it's a stab sound. How cool is that? If I point it downwards and hold the button down and twist, color change. So now that I've held it downwards, held the button, and twisted, it's cycling through all the potential colors it can be. So right now it's kind of like, actually let me turn off this backlight, or let me change the backlight to white. Alright, now we can see the actual colors a little better. So now we have it kind of green, and it's gonna cycle through yellow, and it's just gonna keep on changing through all the colors. Once you find one you like, let's say I want it to be, let's wait for it a little bit. Let's say I want it to be green.
Selected.
Now it's selected. Now it's going to stay in this color the entire time. So very cool. This feels really good in the hand as well. I don't have too much room in here to actually like do some spins and stuff, but I'm going to definitely be going outside and trying this out. It's so cool. You know what's really cool is it actually has an app, so you can control it a lot easier than with a single button press, right? So let's go ahead and install and open the XENO Configurator app. And we're going to turn on Bluetooth. I'm recording the screen so you can see what's going on. I'm going to hold down the
magenta.
So it's on now. We found a saber. Let's connect to the saber.
Connected.
And you can see that the app is connected. Now I could choose the colors as I see fit here.
Color change.
If I go to infinite color, it'll keep on switching between them, and we can choose the different effects like locking and all that good stuff. And it has settings for all the great stuff. So it has lockup mode where you and another lightsaber can crash into each other and hold in place and all that good stuff. It has scrape mode, so you can scrape across the floor. A ton of really cool ones, but you can also change the sound font, so you can choose between double agent, the princess, so it sounds like that, but Dark Lord Order, it actually has like breathing behind it and all kinds of cool sounds. So it has all the different sound fonts from the different types of lightsabers you would find in Star Wars. So I just think this is really cool. It has a ton of information about what's actually going on, including the battery power. So yeah, I have been super impressed with this. I'm gonna make some more content where I can actually have some more room to play around with it, and maybe I'll put those on TikTok or YouTube Shorts or something like that. But yeah, definitely check out SaberCustoms because this is really cool. Put a link to them in the description below. These are super affordable, but they also have some really advanced ones. They even have like Darth Maul's double saber and all that stuff. So definitely check out their offerings. I am a huge fan. Hope you have a good one. Peace. The dude with the short fuse for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect,